Hey everyone, this is Marshmallow Blitz and my buddy Acid Rain. Today we're gonna unbox a brand new Funko Octavia vinyl figure. Thank you. Now, let's show you the box. The front has the figure of Octavia and her name. The sides practically got what the other side has on it. And now the back's got all the product information. It is a Funko brand. And that's got her face. Let's get to unboxing her. I pre-unboxed her before, but it's all Funko figures. They don't have tape, but they're really difficult to get out. There's the box, again. There's nothing in it. Now here is Tavy, or Octavia. Okay, let's the side on view. She looks really sleepy on the front on view, and the other side. Her tail and mane are very smooth. You got any comments about this, Acid Rain?
I really like it. I like how they included the bow.
Yeah. Yeah. And this is Marshmallow Blitz and Acid Rain, signing off till next time.